Morning everyone. So I've come on here to talk about the Karl Anthony Method. I attended his class last year. It was a workshop that I attended last year. So personally for me, I attended it because even after doing a lot of work on myself, I've been in the energy healing since 2016. There was still some underlying trauma that I just couldn't shift, the way my mind was thinking in certain situations, the places that I'd go to, the memories that I'd go to, the triggers that I'd have. And after attending his event, I can't get those feelings back, I can't get those thoughts back. It's been life-changing for me, and it's saved me in many ways. That's the only way I can describe it. For myself now, work-wise, I use it every single day. I use it with all my clients, and the effects are instantaneous and they're immediate and they're forever lasting. The feedback has been wonderful as well. So anyone dealing with anxieties, phobias, fears, I had a lot of children coming up to their exams, worried about the exams, going straight back into that, oh no, I can't pass, I'm going to fail, the stress, the worry. Half an hour, that's it, you're done, and off they go. I have a young girl as well, comes up to me, and she's a lot of difficulties in her life, and every time we go for something new, and she's changing right before my eyes, right before her parents' eyes. It's just wonderful to see. And the best thing is seeing the change. That's the reward, seeing the changes in people's lives, seeing the way just their whole world changes, seeing that light sparked within again. I just can't recommend it enough. I use it on everything, like absolutely everything. I use it on my kids as well, if they're going through certain things. I won't divulge too much because I don't have their permission. So anything that they're going through, I will help them. Friends, all the time. They're probably sick of me now at this stage. Anything they have. Okay, give me a sec and I'll have it done in 10 minutes. Fears, worries, anxieties, depression. The list is endless. First off though, you're doing it for yourself. You can't work on other people, not even in the work sense, like help other people, until you help yourself first, until you understand why it is you're feeling the way you're feeling, why it is you're triggered the way you're triggered, and just to let it go and to realize that, the way you think is your life, so when you start thinking wonderful, happy, positive thoughts, and you let go of the past, because it is the past that holds us back. Once you let go of that, then you can see how wonderful life is, how enjoyable life is, and how we're here to just experience beauty, and to experience the beauty in life, the beauty in relationships, the beauty every day. Look around, I have these gorgeous trees around me, and it's just a joy. I feel very joyous in my life every single day, compared to maybe only 75% of the time. I am naturally happy-go-lucky, so maybe only 75% of the time before I did the CAMs. So even to have that change, and people around me as well, they see the changes in me and they're just like, oh my God, you're so positive and nothing phases you and all that. And as I said, I do have children, so sometimes that phases me, but most of the time not. It's just, it's water off a duck's back. So I can't thank Karl enough. I can't, for coming into my life and for helping me, because as I said, I've been trying and giving it 100% to heal myself from all my past hurts, pains, angers, all of that, and I didn't get it completely until I attended his workshop. So I hope to see you all there. And have a wonderful day, everybody.